which arrangement of 12 cubes has the least surface area? Let's actually draw diagrams for each one of these. So this first one, 2 by 2 by 3, we'll make it purple. So that's going to be 2 by 2, and we're going to make another one of those a little further back. And then we're going to connect all the vertices. And this is 3. Okay. So the surface area of this solid will be 2 times 2 times 2 for the front and back. They both have an area of 4, which is the 2 times 2. So we have 8 for those values. Then we have 2 sides that are 3 units by 2 units, or 6 square units. So that's 12. Plus, we also have the top and bottom, which are 2 by 3 as well. So we have 2 by 3 area is 6, and we have 2 of those faces, so we have another 12. And when we add these together, the surface area for this one will be 32 square units. Now let's look at the next one. That one's 4 by 3 by 1. So we have 4, 3, and then the depth is only going to be 1. So we're going to draw the other one really close to it. This is 3 and this is 1. So we're going to have the front is 4 times 3, which is 12, and so is the back. So we have 2 times 12 plus, for the left and right sides, we have 1 times 3, which is 3, and there are 2 faces that have an area of 3 square units. And we have to do the top and bottom as well, so that's 4 by 1, or 4 square units. So 2 times 4 square units. So we have 24 plus 6 plus 8, so that's 38 in this case, square units for this one. Okay, now let's look at the next problem, 2 by 6 by 1. Do that one in black. So we'll make it, that's about 2. Make this longer. So 2 and 6. And then we'll make the depth much shorter here. So then we are going to have the front and back both have an area of 2 times 6, or 12. So we have 2 areas of 12 square units, plus we have the left and right sides, 2 times 1, which is 2. So we have the left and right have an area of 2 square units. I should put the square units with the 12. Plus, so now we have to do the top and bottom. They both have the same area, and that's 6 times 1, which is 6 square units. So then we'll have 24 plus 4 plus 12. So that'll be 28, and 12 more is 40 square units for this surface area. And now we have to do one more. It's 1 by 1 by 12. There we go. So we can go 1 and then 12. And then we'll do it the other one really close to it. Oh, this should be solid. So in this rectangular prism, we're going to have two sides that have an area of 1 square unit. Plus, we have 12 times 1 going all the way around. So that's 4 and then 12 square units going all the way around. So we're going to have 2 plus 48, which is 50 square units. So the surface area that is the smallest, or the least surface area value, ends up being answer choice A, 2 by 2 by 3. And notice these side lengths are very close to one another. And when the side lengths are very close to one another, their surface areas will be smaller. As the side lengths or edge lengths get farther and farther apart, you will have greater surface areas. So again, the answer here is A.